kahit kami nagulat na Feb 15 na din mangyayari yung repeat. So excited na rin kami and sobrang solid lang ng 3 days na concert. At parang wala.
Yes, well, super grateful po kami. I think that is the word.
Blessing grateful. Kasi hindi naman expect na yung mga icons po na we would share stage and stage for namin deliver. So sobrang grateful kami. We started with a simple 8 girls and now we're having a 3-day sold out concert first time in our network. So we're looking forward to more.
Sana pala hindi ako umiyak. Charing. Hindi, syempre, parang isa po talaga si Sir Gary sa mga taong sumuporta sa Bini from the very start up until now. And kita-kita po namin yung pagmamahal niya po, yung genuine support niya sa amin. And the sharing stage with him, and yung iba pa po namin artist na nakasama. Parang it's very surreal for us. Hindi kami makapaniwala na makakasama namin yung mga icons. And grabe yung pagmamahal na binibigay nila sa amin. And we cannot wait to share more soon.
Yes po, kanina po, in-announce na po namin magkakaroon po kami ng new song next year. Entitled Think Twice. Entitled po kami release ito kasi bagong flavor naman po siya. Pwede po for share out, mag-apple po siya. Ibang flavor na hindi ang makikita. So, abangan natin yan next year.
Abangan po. Abangan. Malay nyo, nakazipline na kami doon. So, may iba mangyayari doon, maging amusement park yan. Yes, bike cake, ano ba? Ano daw?
We are thankful for our life. Siyempre, yung chances and lahat ng success na pinagdarasal lang namin noon, like nangyayari na siya ngayon.
Yes po, that's it. Sa mga tao kapaligid sa amin, the Blooms management, syempre si God, and family and friends, everyone. Kung wala sila, feeling namin wala tong lakas namin. So thank you.
Tapos yun na. The 3 days, the link,
Yes, thank you Lord. I feel excited. Kasi,
you did it.
Right, Ate Aya?
Okay, Aya, maraming na-shock dun sa ano. Sa piece of documentary, parang
yes.
How did the girls help you?
Kasi tatay ko parang, I think yung first ulit na magpe-perform ako, it was the first round. After parang rest na ako for that. Tapos yung pabuti.
What's next? Ano bang mga abangan namin sa ano? Si Mika pa tayo umiiwas ng tingin. Grabe yung Mika, Kayton. Grabe yan.
The Star Magic Artist of the Year 2024 is Bini!
Meanwhile.
Oh, yes, I know. Okay,
Rising Star by Billboard Philippines. How does it feel accepting that award?
It's truly a big honor po, especially for us. Now we're still starting the tour.
So what's next? Ano bang mga abangan namin sa Si Mika pa tayo umiiwas ng tingin.
Work? Nag-enjoy ba kayo, Bini?
Sobra po.
Ano pinaka-enjoy nyo? Ang utos or tanong?
Oh, that. I didn't want to go into like the journey starting from training and then you know your rigorous everything. But I guess like looking back on that, how has your relationship sort of evolved and how are you guys dealing with the spotlight now that you're getting, especially now that you're going global?
Vocalize na po kami, nag-warm up na kami, lalo na nakita live for the first time, like their whole set.
It felt surreal na, when you guys were with them. And how was that? Like, anong tumatak ba sa isip? Aside from yung mga TikTok videos nyo na, ang kam. Yung mga... We can't hide from yun nga, mga funny or mishaps.
What you gonna do with that dessert?
How you guys feel about that? You know, what did you initially expect out of your attendance at KCON, and how does that compare to what you did, you know, receive the reception that for all those training and then you know your rigorous everything, but I guess like looking back on that, how has your relationship as a group sort of evolved? What's going on? The concerts, the promotions, the interviews. How do you sort of stay grounded? You know, how do you? Is there anything